Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Man, we hanging out with Willie Rebuildz, man. Let me see what he got going on. This Money Mike's Riviera right here. 78 Riviera.
Give him a cool stuff on Project RatNest.
Man, he got RatNest back here. You said this thing gonna crank up and everything.
Yeah.
AC box, I see it too. Totally different than mine. It came with this or you added it?
Came with it.
Okay.
It was an AC code originally.
Man, and this is all in high build. You got a shitload of parts over here. But you done worked every panel.
Yep. You ready for the final block? That's it. That's all high build.
Doors off this thing.
Put a new letter in, new 8 pillars in it.
So you just set the nose on there.
Yeah, I just sit it on there to get it out the way because we was about to take the stands to bring over there by your shop.
Man, you gonna do maroon on this one too?
Maroon, yep. Everything back original, just how it came.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Man, your lighting be terrible, man. I can't hardly even see you right
Cause I
now.
don't have my
Side lights.
drop lights. They're in the paint booth.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got another one over here too.
Cause I be looking at your videos. I'm like, damn, dude, you got light in here? It's just that the way that light hit, that bitch so bright.
Usually
I couldn't see nothing but just like your silhouette down there just now. I can see his car good though.
Usually I don't be in here at nighttime, and then when I am in here, I had a drop lights right there.
Mm-hmm. Man, I was not expecting this whole to. That motherfucker sound like wah wah. That motherfucker monster, man. That cam running strong too, boy.
Texas speed, baby.
Man, that cam, I'm like, man, that's what I wasn't expecting when you hit it. I heard that fuel pump cut on, I didn't know what to expect. That was not what I was expecting though. Man, you got double battery trays? Cause my car got double battery trays.
Nah, I took them out.
You got the electric fan
Mine
because...
had a flat trim on that side, but I switched the fan because I'm gonna mount my computer right here.
So where's the computer at currently?
Right here. Computer right there.
And this one you said that you had went with a different one. You didn't go with...
Current performance.
Okay. Why you chose them? Simple.
It's clean install. They got good reviews.
Is it expensive?
Paid I think 550, 600.
Because I know they're paying is like $1,000.
Both harnesses, one for the fan to control the electric fans, and then this one here control the engine. And they got your diagram. Actually, that's the one for the fans right there.
Mm-hmm. New everything. That's definitely a new condenser.
Evaporator,
okay.
condenser, heater, cool, water pump, alternator. Got the Holly, the Black Hawk. The headers out the Black Hawk kit, 3-inch.
Okay.
Holly mounts, Holly oil pan, the Holly cross member, LS6 intake, LS6 EGR setup. I use the same EGR setup off of LS1. Got a Grand National fuel tank with a Racetronics fuel pump. Corvette fuel filter / regulator. Just a little simple setup. ICT accessory bracket for the alternator and the power steering pump. Going with the ICT bullet AC compressor bracket. 05, 06 GTO radiator and fans. The condenser, I'm about to take the condenser out and put a condenser from a cutlass to switch the lines from the driver's side to the passenger side. And once I get it painted and everything going, I'm gonna pull this intake off, put a fast 92mm intake and throttle body on it, and take the heads off and rework them again.
And all this to go faster.
I mean,
for the most part.
Right now, with this intake right here is gonna limit the horsepower. If I get a fast intake, I'm gonna get better flow. And when I get the heads, I'm gonna need better flow. So that's why for right now, this intake is good. But once I do the head work to it, then I'm gonna need a better intake.
Okay.
Throttle body.
Okay. So that means this is all coming off.
Yep.
This is the throttle body right here.
Yep.
And this is this is your intake.
Yep.
Okay, because I always see the fast LSX, and it's gray most of the time.
Yeah, you can get
the intake
in gray and black.
I see a lot of people with that gray one.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Man, so you say you're gonna do what's that on this one right here?
Black.
This the rear?
Rear bumper black.
Okay.
This part black. This part gray.
It's gonna be gray.
Same color of the car.
Mm-hmm.
This black. This one black.
And you say you did that because most people would have did the opposite.
Yeah.
So that's why you was like, man, do something different. Mm-hmm. Man, because this thing look way bigger than what the normal one would have been. Because that normal metal bumper would probably be about right there where it stops, huh?
Yeah, this is a regular bumper.
Okay.
This the fan.
So you want, really it's for aerodynamics, being low to the ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep the air from going out of the car.
Mm-hmm. Go up in here and see what old Mike talking about, man.
It's looking pretty good. What you think about it, John Blaze? You know what he's doing?
Ah, man, I'm just taking notes, man. I'm just taking notes.
Got a little trash.
It's a pretty color, though.
But
It's a very pretty color.
what we gonna do, the next car we bring in here, well, what the rebuild gonna do is change.
So you can see that flake in there on that one, though.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like it's kind of subtle,
Letting a lot of trash.
the way the flake lay.
Yeah.
When you start playing, it's clip and it go up, that trash come down. So when we come back, we gonna do. John, like big feet, we're gonna change all these filters and clean this out real good. So the next paint job is gonna be
About 2 seconds in there.
flawless with
Yeah, take that
minimal
back.
trash.
No. No, I'm
And
gonna take it down
minimum
because we're
buck.
gonna do.
Oh, the bottom of that black.
What is this? 80, 70, 78, 78 Malibu.
You got nice shit in there.
The 78 Malibu has color on it now. And the scoop, like I told you, is going black. And the bumpers is going black. But I think Mike did a good job. And I think Chicago Shorty right here picked out a nice color to put on his race car. So when he start busting ass and taking that.
Man, how big is this cowl, man? It's like a 5-inch cowl, huh? Bigger?
Yeah.
6?
Pretty good, man.
8?
On his truck.
That motherfucker huge.
We got a little trash, but very, very minimal. Because when
He
we
going
did,
black
we
on the
turned
cowl.
vent off when we was shooting the clip on the truck. But it's Willie Rebuildz, bringing y'all a little.
Got him loaded up. Headed out. It's the man right there. Y'all two-toned it too?
Yeah, no, I did it, but I had a reaction right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I put some high-build prime on it and I'll spray it again tomorrow back black.
Got the hood painted, got the bumper black. Got the flake on it. See that flake dancing in the sun now.